So I made the game using C programming language, and this is my first ever game made using any programming language. And I've named the game as Guess the Color. On the start of this game, we can see the name of the game at the top side of the screen, and below that it consists of three horizontal sections. On the left side we can see the options of a new game and quit game. If you press 1 and enter, then you will proceed to new game section. And if you choose any character or any number other than 1, it will cause the game to end. On the middle part, it consists of a color generation box of size 6 by 3, where colors are generated randomly. Whenever you come in this screen, then you will see the change in color inside the box. On the right side, we can see the dashboard that consists of the highest score of the game and your current score. For tracking the highest score, I've made a file called score.txt. Whenever you score a point that is greater than that of previous highest score, then your current highest score is overwritten in the file score.txt. Now let's say we choose new game, then we'll proceed to next screen, and it consists of a box of 16 sections consisting of all 16 color that are supported in C programming language. And also inside the box we'll see a number that represents the color in C programming language. And below the box we can see two square boxes for actual guess and guessed color. For playing this game, we have three chances to guess the color. If you guess the color correctly, then we'll get plus 10 points. Otherwise, we'll get another two chances to guess the color. If you guess the color correctly 3 times in a row, then we'll get another 3 chances to guess the color. Otherwise, we'll be taken to the start of the game. And for increasing the interaction with the game, I've added sound using sound font. Now let's see the code